Good evening. I will be demonstrating a multiplication problem using this virtual base 10 simulation. So let's get started, and I will click on our equation tool, and our problem for this evening is 50 times 2. So we'll click on our 5 and our 0, 50 times 2, and we'll do our equal sign, and we'll say done. Then we'll move that on up a little bit out of the way. Okay, next thing we want to do is draw a couple of lines here for a little table we want to create here. So I'll click here on the drawing tools here on the pen. Then I'll click on this pen here, and we'll start here at the top and draw a line straight down. Okay, all right, and then we'll draw a line across out here. And that should be good right there. Okay. And then we want to have our little multiplication sign there. So I'm going to go back to our equation tools here and click on our multiplication sign. I'm going to say done. And then we're going to move that right here. Okay. All right. So again, 50 times 2. And we'll start with looking here at our base 10 blocks. Of course, this is our ones, our tens vertical, our tens horizontal, and our hundreds. So ones, tens, and hundreds. So we want to put 50 over here. So we'll click on our horizontal tens here. And so we'll start with 50. So we'll just do 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. That right. We'll put it right here. Actually, let's bring it down. We'll put that right there, and we'll bring that right here. That's better. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times 2. So we'll go to our ones. We'll put a 1 here, and 2. So there's our 2. All right, so 50 times 2, and we want to mirror that. That's going to be 52 times. So we're going to mirror what we have here. So we'll bring over our 10, 20, 30, 40, bring it here, and 50. Bring that right underneath it. We're going to mirror what we have above there. And so now let's count and see what our answer is. And of course, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 50 times 2 equals 100. So we'll go up here and we'll put our answer that we've gotten from doing our blocks. It's 100. Okay, so again, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times 2, 1, 2, and we mirrored that what we have above beneath it. And so when you count this up, add it together, we get our answer 100. 50 times 2 equals 100. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for your time.